How to deactivate your PoF dating account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can deactivate your profile on PoF or Plenty of Fish, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to deactivate your Plenty of Fish dating account, what you have to do is first of all go ahead and then launch the Plenty of Fish dating app. Then once you've done that, tap on your profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, you might want to scroll and then look for the option called Manage Account, so just tap on it. Once you tap on Manage Account, here under Settings you'll find the option called Profile Visibility, and you can see Hide My Profile. Now hiding your profile is basically as good as deactivating it, because as long as you don't go ahead and then unhide it, no one else will be able to find you, but at the same time your account is not going to be deleted because all of your data is going to remain there. The only thing is that it is going to be hidden from the general public and no one else other than you is going to be able to view your profile. If you want, you can reactivate it anytime by simply turning off this toggle right over here. And this is simply how you can deactivate your Plenty of Fish dating profile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.